Welcome back. So in this video we will see how to find sum of natural numbers. So that's why I am declaring int number and sum. So I have to use this number and sum in my program. So the next step I am printing input number. So that's why I am using here see out enter your natural number. Natural number has start from 1 2 3 4 and the whole number start from 0 1. So this is very important thing. Enter your natural positive number. So remember one thing, we have find the sum of natural numbers. So this is printing a line, and the next step is we have to take input. So for that I have used C in data type, input data type. I have used here number, so it will take out input number by user. So and the next step is I'm using for loop. So for loop has three parts. First one is initialization, and the second one is condition, and the third one is updation. So I'm initializing I is equal to 1 and it will goes up. The condition is here is I less than equal to n, so I plus plus, so it will update our number. So in the next step I'm using some formula to get the sum of natural numbers. So that's why I'm using sum that I have declared before, sum plus equal to I. So I is used in loop, so it will update and sum the numbers. So in the next step I'm taking printing the number that I have sum in loop. So sum is equal to sum of natural numbers entered by user. So now I want to print the sum. So that's why I'm using here sum. So in the next step I'm using here sum. So it will print out sum, the number that I have entered by user. So this is our program. So guys, let's run the program and see the different outputs. So when I run, so now the mistake here is I have used here C out, so it will print out. So again run. So now our program has been run, and enter your natural positive number. So enter your numbers that you want to sum. So I am using the 50s numbers, 50 first number of natural number. So the 1275 is the sum of 50's first natural numbers. So again run the program and different outputs. So let's see the different outputs, enter different inputs. So I am entering here 10. So the first 10 natural number sum is 55. So guys, if you like my video then subscribe my channel for more such type of video. Thanks for watching.